Hey Gloria, this is Jesse with Revved Up SEO. You spoke with my business partner Colleen on the phone. I have your website pulled up because I wanted to go over a few things that you can start doing today that'll help you rank better in the search engines and in turn bring in some more traffic from your online presence. So with that being said, first we'll just hit on your overall layout. It's actually pretty good, but the one thing I do see is a lack of content, and that's the first thing that we're going to hit on. Um, for Google to rank a website, it wants to see the content on the website and how relevant and unique it is to what you guys are trying to do. So Google tries to look for keywords and key phrases, and all those keywords and key phrases are just things that people type into the search bar. And the more you have it on your page that you're trying to rank, the better. Google's going to find it easy, and essentially you'll be found for it. But as you can tell, there's not a whole lot of content on here, and therefore Google's probably not finding you for very much keywords. Now you can be found with them other ways through like your pictures and things like that, but typically the easiest way for Google to find you is through your content on your web page. So the other thing I wanted to hit on over here is this is a tool that we call Ahrefs. It's a tool that gives us a story on the back end of how your website is doing. So as you can see, you are being found for keywords, but it's probably not on your web page too much. Therefore, it's making Google harder to rank you for it, and that's probably why you're further down in the search engines. But with that being said, there's another thing I wanted to hit on, and they're called backlinks. So a backlink is any link on another website that redirects back to yours. So they do have to be industry specific, and what I mean by that is obviously HVAC websites and plumbing and heating and stuff like that. Those are going to be your most relevant, and those are probably going to carry the most weight. What you don't want is like a local pizza joint or ice cream shop giving you a link, because more than likely it's not going to carry weight, and Google knows that. And with that being said, all backlinks are not created equal. You got backlinks that carry good weight that actually help boost your website, and then you got backlinks that are weightless and they can kind of be spammy at times too. So what I mean by that is we have a system. It goes by do follow and no follow. So as you can tell, of your 115 backlinks, you got 44 that are giving you weight that are going to help your website rank. On the other end, you have 71 that are no follow that are potentially spammy or they're just not carrying any weight. So the ratio between these is not good, and in turn is giving you this number right here, which is your trust flow. This is on a 100-point scale, so being a 2 is pretty low, and that's probably why it's hurting you. So for these backlinks, they're kind of like a popularity contest. The more you have, the better off you'll be. But at the same time, they do have to be those do follow, strong weight carrying backlinks. So what we like to do is a copycat method. We like to go see what the people in the top spots are doing as far as backlinks. Go and essentially put your business there, and from there we'll go and one up them, just to get some more. Another thing I wanted to hit on is something called a citation. So when you do a simple search for, say, plumbing and heating there in Albuquerque, you're going to get some stuff up here, which is ads. Another thing is, if you're not Google guaranteed already, I would definitely look into it. It adds to your trust. But typically people scroll down past the ads, and this is the first thing they'll see. This is your map pack. And if you don't already have a Google My Business, I would definitely recommend getting that set up, because it does tie into how you rank up here. So it's important to be in the top 3 spots, because typically not very many people are going to go to the view all and then look and scroll through and see who all else is there. They're going to see these up here, and then they're going to feel like these are trusted already. The way to get ranked up here is through Google reviews. The more good Google reviews you have, the better. And also citations. So a citation is just anything that has your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And there's 1,000 directories on the internet, so what you do is, again, you go and do the copycat method, put all yours where all your competitors are, and essentially one-up them. That way you can outrank them. But with that being said, this is about the end of the overview with your website. I hope you found this video educational, and if you have any questions or if you'd like help getting all this set up, definitely give me a reply back or call me at 575-201-7701. Thank you. You have a great day.